Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I am doing a what's in the box AliExpress craft supply haul video. So I do have a couple of these big boxes. I think this is the 5th or 6th video, and sometimes these boxes have I'm trying to figure out where the opening is. Sometimes these boxes have so many things inside that it was just too long for one single video to put in with other stuff. Is this the white bubbly box thing? The bubbly thing, yes. You know, this might be a very quick video. Sometimes these boxes are packed with a ton of things. What could this be? Are you joking? Are you joking with me right now? Oh my god. No. Ah, I know. Okay. Yeah, I thought for a second I thought these were like car tools. Okay, so this is gonna be a very quick video. You know what? I'll put another box in here too. These are handles. I'm not doing second box. Yeah. Second smaller box. These are handles for making resin. This is too big. Making resin trays. So these are like handles for the trays. There's 2 of each. Okay, this is box 1. I think it came out beautiful, but you know what else you can use these handles for? For kitchen cabinets, if you want to like switch it up, you know, or basically anything that you need a handle for. Very cute. This one I don't really like. It's a little bit sharp, but for a tray it'll be pretty. This one is gorgeous. I don't even know which one I like better. I love both. Okay, it looks like a good quality too. It's pretty thick, a little bit heavy, so it's not like a cheap quality. This one kind of is. So the middle one is kind of like cheap quality. It's still a little bit heavy, but these ones are so much better. I love it. Okay, we'll do another box. I'm guessing this is gonna be Washi's stickers. And I am going to try to put a link down below for everything, for as many things I can find in this video. But some of the stuff are either out of stock or no longer available. Now this box should have needed its own because there's so much in here. Okay. Oh well, we're doing it now. Alright, first up is the stickers. Let me turn the light on. These are stickers on a washi, so they're just laying on top of each other. A flower washi. Very pretty. This one is succulent. Little succulents. Let me zoom in a bit. Little succulents. This one is also a flower, but more of a pinkish colors. Very pretty, almost like a watercolor. Nikon. Cats doing different activitis. We'll take a closer look on these individually when we do the what is that called? The washi stuff. Ah, that's so cute. I love it. It actually looks like my cat. Next is a washi with a little bit of gold on it. A lot of stuff in here, so I'm gonna try to do it quickly. And this one's thicker, pink stuff. This one is hamster. I think it's a hamster. Or maybe it is a bear. It could be a bear. My first thought it was a hamster. It's cute, very cute. This is a set of unicorns. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 washi tapes in here. A very thin one and a very wide one. Great for parties. A mushroom washi tape. Very, very pretty, vivid colors. And then this is, I call this a fall, autumn set. It has a butterfly, some penny, 1 cent, and other kinds of brown stuff, and then 2 more. And it just gives me like a fall vibe, fall colors. Okay, a few more to go. This is another set. Oh, it's a pug. And I see some cats over here. Oh, there you go. So we have a ton in here. Carrot, bunnies. That's a hamster. Let's see. Is that a corgi? Yes, it's a corgi. So lots of stuff in here. Cats. There's a Frenchie. Other stuff. Cute, very cute. This is gonna go into the animals collection. Another one. This has cats in clothes, but I think I bought this individually. Yes, I've bought this, this and this other one individually. I see that there's a. Let's see. I just didn't really wanna ruin the box before I sticker them down. So if I'm seeing correctly, I saw a backpack here. The shoes, hat, yep, a backpack. There's a backpack. And a wallet, purse, unicorn, hat, bunny. Really, really cute. Let me show. Since I've already opened it, let me show you the other one. I love when it's something on the repeat that's so similar. I use them for the edges. These little ones I don't really like because it's so small. What are you gonna do with that? I don't. This is makeup, obviously, but for me that's kind of useless. These ones I like to put on the edge as well in journals. And there's another one of this, but of hearts. These cat ladies. Okay, that's it. So there's 5 of them. Cute, and it's pretty big. It's about a little over an inch tall. I like it. I have so many now that I am extremely picky because I was really excited when I first started building my craft room. I needed to buy everything, and I bought so much. Which is not the issue. The issue is that I've realized that a lot of these are low quality and I'm not gonna use it ever. Like this one, it's bows. You can kind of tell it's bows, but like in the other one I showed you with the makeup, what am I gonna do with that makeup brush? Unless your journal is this tiny, it's a pocket journal, it's useless for me. So now I am very, very, very careful with what I buy. But this came in a set, so there's nothing I can do about it, but I would not buy that on its own. This one, I have similar ones, but this has so much in it. There's 2, 4, 6, 10 in here. Those are perfect for the edges. Yeah, these ones are very small. That's what I was talking about. Like it's so small. Like what am I gonna do with it? But this one's a little bit bigger than the other one, so you can kind of still see what it is. See, that's a rose. Yeah, I mean whatever. I love these. These will go pretty much anywhere and everywhere in journaling. The violin is a good size. let's go the other way. Book, tea. I mean, it's a little small, but okay. Coffee grinder. It's like the old school coffee grinder. That's what everyone had in their home who made coffee. They would grind their own coffee beans. So this is a really, really good one. And most of the time, it's money-wise, it's more worth to buying the set.